Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thanks for everybody who watched the first one, all the likes. Those were very motivating. So what I'm doing today, I'm running out of sunshine. As you can see, the sun is straight in my face. What I'm going to do today is that I'm going to install the Wrx shocks that I picked up on the Forester. Hopefully we can get a little bit of a drop. So if you can see here, there's much gap, and nobody likes gap. So what we'll do is, hopefully it's around 3 p.m. right now, and hopefully what we'll do is we'll be able to finish this today, hopefully before 5 or before sun is out. It's winter, so as you know, the sun likes to say goodbye quite early. So let's get to it. This is most likely going to be like a time-lapse type of video, and maybe I'll have a bit of a voiceover, we'll see. But yeah, again, thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe, you know the thing. Just do that thing. Yeah, thanks guys. Cheers. So, got tiring. The left is done. Look at that. Look at the difference. Much low. Much low. Much gap. Maybe I should leave it like this, huh? How's that stance look? Okay. Another hour. Try to finish this while I still have a little bit of light. I think it's gonna look sweet. So to do the back, remember the front had a 3-bolt top by the engine. So yeah, what you have to do is that I get a screwdriver, a star, and then undo this point here for the left and undo that point there for the right. That'll give you your mounts. Luckily these arrived yesterday. Ordered them like 2 months ago or 3 months ago. But anyways, so that's your trim removal tools. So I just use that, and then this is what you find. Undo these, and then you can do the bottom, and then it's pretty much the same process as that from the front. From the board.